God has somehow forgotten that you are faced with circumstances you cannot get through. Right now it seems that there is no way out and you're going under. God's proven time and time again He will fix it for you. He'll do it again. He'll do it again. Just take a look at where we are now and where we have been. 'Cause He always come through for you. He's the same now and then. You may not know how, you may not know when, He'll do it again. He's still God. He's still God. He will not fail you. Just like Daniel, just like Moses, just like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. He'll do it, yeah. Yes, He will do it again. Just take a look at where you are now and where you have been. 'Cause He always comes through for you. He's the same now as then. God has not changed. You may not know how, you may not know when. Do it again. He will do it again. My Lord, He will do it again.
All right, let us hear from the judges. Come here, my baby. Start with Elaine.
Yeah. Anthonia, you're such a talented young lady. You really are. You're very special. And I see you crying from the emotion of the song, and I know it means something to you. Honestly though, I didn't really feel it. Like the truth behind the song. You sounded, because you're a singer, there's no question, but there's just a genuineness that I didn't feel, but I thought you sounded good, and I know you commit to every performance you do.
Vegas.
I'm trying to figure out if you're crying because you it took you back to church, or you're crying because you think you did not do that well. Because it seems like you were just struggling with the vocals, and like you were just waiting for it to be over. I'm just trying to figure out if that's why you're crying. But if you're crying because you feel like it took you back to a good place, it's great. Keep crying.
Conroy.
The truth is, all the elements of a good performance were there, meaning you were emoting, you were digging for deep, but I don't know, there's something that I just never felt. I can't describe what it is, but the soul of it did not communicate, but every single element of a good performance was there.
Yes. Anthony.
Sometimes there's a build-up to something. You don't build up, you just jump right into the deep end. So it comes across as strident, and it comes across as a little fake. Like you're just delivering the emotion, but without really feeling the emotion. What I think he is what he's trying to get at, it didn't come together.
Thanks, judges. Send in those votes again and again for Anthonia. Text the word VOTE to 444-5505 or call 444-5505. Thanks, Tony. Looking very nice.